what are the takeaways? So we covered the key features of the new bootflash STMC32H7RS series. In the practical sessions, we focused on the new features of the ecosystem to support development with external memories, then Touch GFX and Neochrom GPU showcasing advanced graphical capabilities. We then delved into the advanced security features, such as the memory cipher engine to perform the on-the-fly encryption and decryption of the code and data in the external memory. And last but not least, we demonstrated the debug authentication capability, which can be used to manage field returns and which allows to reopen the previously closed device for debugging. So we encourage you to continue experimenting with the H7RS MCU in your projects. We hope you liked today's workshop, and feel free to reach out to us with any questions or any feedback on this product or any other STM32 in general. And yeah, welcome, and see you next time. Thank you.